If your soul currently feels like it's hiding under a heavy blanket, waiting for the noise of the world to stop, take a breath. You're in the right place. Consider this your sanctuary from the high-speed circus of modern hustle culture. Close the tabs because I am officially giving the universe a very heavy, unblinking side eye today. You know the look, the one reserved for people who pull up beside you at a red light and ask why you aren't doing 120 miles per hour down a highway you didn't even want to be on. Everywhere you turn, someone is holding up a stopwatch, screaming about your pacing, your matrix, and your 5-year plan. I used to think that not having my entire life color-coded and hyper-optimized by a specific age meant I was failing. For the longest time, I treated my career, my creativity, and my personal growth like a high-stakes competition sport. I looked at everyone else's highlight reels and assumed their straight lines were the only correct template. If my path looked a bit more like a winding, chaotic squiggle, I panicked. I thought I was lost. I thought a quiet season meant a dead one. And the truth is, it's exhausting. We spend so much energy trying to keep up with a rhythm that was never meant for us. We let algorithms, parents, peers, and internet strangers dictate the velocity of our growth. Why? Here's the plot twist no one wants to admit. An internal map is useless if you don't know who is holding it. When you strip away the noise of what everyone else is doing, your life runs on an internal mechanism, what I call your internal compass. An internal compass doesn't care about viral hyperlapses or artificial timelines. It doesn't care if your peers bought a house, launched an empire, or achieved enlightenment by breakfast. Your compass operates on alignment, not acceleration. Seriously, stop for a second. When was the last time you did something just because it felt right, not because you were supposed to? Think about it like building software or a brand from scratch. You can't build a sustainable system on a rushed foundation. If you force code or skip testing just to meet an imaginary launch date, the whole thing crashes. Your life is no different. Real roots don't rush. They dig deep in silence before anything beautiful ever breaks the surface. I know alignment sounds like a nice idea, but in the middle of a busy week, it feels impossible. So how do we actually pivot back to our own internal rhythm when the world is screaming at us to speed up? It starts with a very quiet, very deliberate rebellion. Permission to move at your own speed. First, audit your inputs. If following someone else's timeline makes you feel chronically behind, mute them. Protect your mental real estate like your sanity depends on it, because it does. Second, redefine productivity. Growth isn't always loud. Sometimes your most productive season looks like resting, recalibrating, and letting old expectations die so new, authentic ones can take root. Your direction isn't lost just because it's quiet. Stop apologizing for taking the scenic route. To help you anchor that focus this week, I put together a free minimalist wallpaper set and a quiet growth tracker. You can grab it completely free at the link below. So, how are you protecting your peace and pacing this week? Let me know in the comments. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next one.